Welcome, Vivien, to our PSHSA Industrial Sector Plan and Blitz Spotlight. I know that we've worked together, but can you introduce yourself to our audience?
Sure. My name is Vivien Wharton-Szatan. I'm the Provincial Coordinator for the Ministry of Labour Industrial Health and Safety Program.
What is the purpose of the sector plan?
The purpose of the sector plan is to highlight information relevant to the sector. It talks about our system priorities and provides information about our initiatives and upcoming blitzes.
Vivien, can you tell us how the key issues in the sector plan are determined?
Our sector key issues are determined from a number of sources. We look at WSIB incident trends. We look at our enforcement data trends over the last 3 to 5 years. We also do our Safe at Work Ontario stakeholder consultations at the start of the year, where we get feedback from our stakeholders and also from our internal stakeholders as well, such as inspectors.
How will the industrial sector plan assist employees and employers of workplaces in Ontario improve their health and safety program?
The sector plan will address the 4 system priorities this year. We'll be looking at addressing musculoskeletal disorders, slips, trips, and falls, machine hazards such as machine guarding, and motor vehicle incidents. We have 2 initiatives this year and 4 blitzes. Our first initiative is as the new registrations, small business. We want to ensure that those workplaces are aware of their roles and responsibilities under the Act and understand the internal responsibility system and ensure that the foundations are set in place when the company's first starting out. The next initiative we're doing is in the education sector, where we're looking at private schools and selected secondary schools, ensuring that their laboratories and auto body shops and technical education shops are complying with the Occupational Health and Safety Act and respective regulations. Our blitzes this year, our first one we ran this summer was New and Young Worker, where we focused on young workers so that they're aware of what their rights and responsibilities are under the Act and they're afforded appropriate supervision. We also wanted to look at temporary workers as well that come into the workplace for the summer. In the fall, we were doing our waste management and recycling blitz, where we're focusing on motor vehicle traffic, pedestrian safety, musculoskeletal disorders, occupational illness, and slips, trips, and falls. We're going in from there. We'll be doing in January construction and active workplaces, where we'll be looking at any workplace where there's active construction, such as could be anything from a school that's doing an addition or even a retail place that's doing renovations. We want to make sure that the workers are aware of the hazards associated with construction in their workplace. And then we'll be finishing up to the 2013-2014 year with the blitz in warehousing. Want to ensure that we address the hazards associated with motor vehicle traffic and lifting devices and racking.
PSHSA has seen some benefits from the industrial sector plans as well as the blitzes. We've seen an increase in senior management commitment to health and safety. We've also seen our clients reach out to our local consultants during the blitzes, as well as we've seen some increased partnership opportunities with such organizations as the Ontario Recreational Facilities Association or the Council of Directors of Education, just to name a couple. Can you tell us from your perspective what are the benefits of the blitzes in the sector plan?
Well, the benefit of the blitz and the sector plans is it provides resource information for the sectors, in particular what our initiatives in blitz. You'll get more detailed information from the sector plans about the hazards, what our focus is. You'll be able to see some statistics that are happening in the industrial program generally. Also, it raises awareness of hazards. It provides an opportunity to educate workplace, and ultimately our goal is to support the internal responsibility system through awareness of hazards and education.
So Vivien, what can our clients expect when a Ministry of Labour inspector comes to conduct a proactive visit?
Well, our Ministry of Labour inspectors will come in and, of course, introduce themselves and talk about why the purpose of their visit. In this case, if it was they were here to do the recycling initiative, then blitz, then they will be introducing that topic and they'll be doing a full inspection of the workplace. At the end, they'll be going over the hazards that they've identified and issuing the appropriate orders so that the employer will know what needs to be addressed, and then discussing a timeline under which those corrective measures can be put into place. Additionally, I expect to be providing contact information so that employers will know who to reach out to get assistance, such as the organization's PSHSA.
Great, thanks.